Hello there, it's Wxy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share this neon orangey design with DIY gummy bear. Okay, let's get started. Let's apply a layer of base coat, let it cure for 30 seconds. Then apply a translucent white as base color, cure. Repeat the same to reach the opacity of the color. Prepare a palette, drop some neon orange gel on it for later use. I'm going to use a liner brush to create a smiling line with the neon orange for a French nail look. Try not to pick up too much gel at once, as it might create a thick nail tip. That's definitely not looking cool, and it might not be able to cure fully due to the thickness. Personally, I think this style will look better with a curved smiling line, but if it is too difficult to get a smooth curve, it's okay to make it flatter. Or you can choose to go with square. It will also reduce the difficulty on drawing a French tip comparing to oval. Try it! Once you think you have an even smiling line, please cure it. And we're gonna repeat one more time to increase the opacity of the color, as we have done the previous step, so it will be a lot easier this time round. Just make sure we don't overdo the line we created just now. Okay, next we need a silicone mold for the gummy bear. I'm using resin for this part. If you don't have resin, extension gel can do the job. Lightly tilt the silicone mold to let resin spread out evenly, and it is ready to cure. When it is done, simply take out the hardened bear, place it upside down on the blue tack. Brush on a thin layer of non-white top coat onto the bear and cure it for about 20 to 30 seconds. This is Aurora Powder. It is similar to mirror powder, but it has different effect. The color I'm using will be more orangey to match the neon orange. I'm using a silicone tip to apply Aurora Powder onto the surface we have applied non-white top coat just now. Do this step thoroughly to make sure it is evenly applied onto the back of the bear. After we have done, use a clean fluffy brush to clean off the excess powder, and we're gonna apply a thin layer of lighter neon orange on top of Aurora Powder. Cure and keep it aside for later use. Now we're gonna pick up a round pearl for the base of basketball. If you do not have a round pearl, half round can do the job as well, but the 3D effect wouldn't be as good as comparing to the round pearl. Fix the pearl lightly on a blue tag. Try not to push it into the blue tag too hard, and try to keep as much surface on air as possible. We are going to color the pearl to orange. Repeat the same to reach the opacity and cure. Next, I'm gonna use a liner brush to draw some line with a black painting gel. Try not to pick up too much gel at once. I'm also connecting stroke lines to create a long straight line for the basketball look. This can ensure the line is even without thick crumbs of gel in the line. I will draw a cross first, then cure. And then we're gonna add on the other two curves on the basketball and cure. Now, let's put them all together. I'm dipping the bear into gummy gel and place it on the nail, then cure. Next, I'm gonna stick on the basketball as well. While I'm working with tiny accessories, I will always put on some gummy gel on my tweezer. This helps to pick up those tiny accessories easily and prevents dropping the accessories while you're working on it. Simply adjust the basketball to the desired look and cure it. Well, this step is optional as the bear has 3D eyes and nose initially, but I would like to outline them by using black painting gel to make it even cuter. After this step is done, just simply cure it. And then let's put on non-white top coat to wrap it thoroughly, cure it, and it's done! Isn't it simple and cute? I've matched it with the related theme and stickers to make it a set. These half-rounded accessories can be DIY as well with the mold. Steps are exactly the same as the gummy bear we have done just now. Hope you guys will like it. See you soon in the next video. Please subscribe and take care.